Hi, this is Brad with Now Homes Wichita. Hey, I get asked a lot, why would I want to sell my house to an investor? What are some of the advantages to selling my house to an investor? Well, I can think of several. First of all, no repairs, no cleaning, no clean out. Maybe your house isn't in great shape. Maybe you've got a bunch of stuff in there that you don't want to take with you. Maybe it's just a mess because some tenants trashed it or you inherited it and it's just in a bad way. No worries. You don't have to fix it up. You don't have to do anything to it. We will buy it as is. We'll take whatever trash you leave behind, whatever treasures you leave behind that you just don't want with you. We'll take it just the way it is. Second, we will close on your timeline. So maybe you're in a hurry and you need to close in 2 weeks. We can do that. Maybe you're not in a hurry, but you want to know for sure that the day you move out, that the day you want to move out, that you've got a buyer lined up. Maybe you want to close and then stay for a little bit in order to get your next place lined up. No problem. We can close on your timeline. Third, no fees, no commissions. Whatever we tell you we're going to pay, that's what we're going to pay. There's no hidden fees. We'll take care of all the closing costs. No commissions to an agent, nothing like that. Whatever we say we're going to pay, we'll pay. And finally, we can be creative. Maybe you want to close and stay in the house for a little bit. Maybe you owe too much on the house so that you don't think you can sell it and still be able to pay what you owe. Maybe you're behind on payments. There's a lot of things that could be your situation, and we want to be able to help you with that. As investors, we can be a little more creative than others. So if there's a way we can help you, reach out to us. Give us a call or submit the form at the bottom of the page. Thank you.